sun goes down on another beautiful day. I'm going to go for an evening ride, and this is my first vlog. I'm going to do it on my Aprilia RSV. I'm a big twin man actually, I do like my V-twin, so we'll just give her a start. Sounds good. Let's go for an evening ride and do a vlog, shall we? Okay, we have microphone in position. Should just do the old strap up on the helmet, looking over the South Downs hill, and apart from that big bush in the way, the South Coast seafront. I'm going to go under the alias of Fonzie Smith, and this is my first vlog, so we shall give it a go. Whether it ever makes it to edit, to release, is yet to be known, but we shall give it a go. We can all but try, and hopefully it goes well. And don't sound too much of a tit. Make sure the old lovelies are done up, visor down, engine up, and we better start moving because she's getting a bit hot. And go for a little ride. And here we go. So this is going to be slightly strange for me because I never usually talk when I'm riding. So doing a first vlog is going to be a bit of a strange sensation because I can't say I've ever spoke before when riding. I don't know if it's people do, people don't. I just never have, never sung, never do anything, so we shall give it a go. Still recording. Always a good sign if you're still recording. So why am I doing my first vlog? I got inspired by another vlogger, and some things in life seem hard, some things don't seem reasonable, some things you just don't get, but somebody else has done it, but thank you very much. let's go back to what I was saying. Why am I doing the first vlog? My children are quite big YouTube fans, and they watch YouTube videos of families and people and gamers, and, you know, doing their do and recording it. And I can't say I really saw the appeal to it really. I suppose being a bit more television orientated, it's a bit more the newer, younger way to be watching YouTube. TV you want to do on catch up, and now TV, Amazon, Prime, and all sorts. But anyway, so they watch YouTube, and I came across. I like to watch YouTube videos of some motorcycle stuff, racing and all this, and then some. And then I came across this couple of guys who were doing a bit of the old vlogging. It's more like a motorbike magazine, and then looked into them a bit more. And one of them does motorcycle vlogging, and I've watched it and I got really inspired and really inspirational by it. I thought it was excellent stuff. I've watched all the videos now. I'm a bit behind the times because he done it years ago. But I've had to go through his whole back catalogue and watch them all. Really addictive, and I thought I'd give it a go myself, and if it's good I might put it out there, and if it's not, it seems to be a bit therapeutic. It seems like a good idea. It seems like, you know, somebody might find it interesting, might watch it, might enjoy it, might get something out of it. I suppose you have to wait for the thumbs up or the thumbs down to see if anyone else agrees or not, but I suppose it's not really. You put it out there to see what, just making something maybe with which others might consider watchable, good, might want to see more. So I don't know, I just got really inspired by this guy. I do love the, not sure you can hear, but the little sound of the V-twin. I do love it. Yeah, so I thought I'd give it a go, and what's the worst that could happen? I'll let Mr. Volvo man go first. Or is it Kia? Yeah, it's Kia. It's one of them big Volvos to start with. Thank you very much. So, about me. I'm going under the alias of Fonzie Smith. And my bike I'm riding is my 2003 Aprilia RSV Millie V-twin. Quite an old girl now, but it's what the budget can stretch to. Not quite got the RSV4 money or any other bike for that matter. So I've got two motorbikes. The reason I've got this one is actually I've got another motorbike which I quite like, as it's the Ducati 620 Sport, which is quite a small engine, another V-twin. Good bike, but I did take it on a track day at Silverstone, just a short circuit. And although we did do very well in the corners, she was very out of puff on the straight. thinking I was going to do more track days, I thought I'd better get a bigger engine. Now, I didn't want to go mad and ridiculous. And also, when I was 16, I had an Aprilia RS50, which was my little baby. We had some good times together, had a crash or two. Had a crash or two, one big crash and then with a few small instances, but as all teenagers, especially 16-year-olds do. Yeah, we had to learn some things the hard way when it comes to riding. And when I was 16 in 1998, this Aprilia RSV Mini was just coming out, first generation. And it was a bit of an iconic bike, and I had a brand new, I was very lucky to have a brand new RS50. So the newer, bigger brother of what I had was the RSV. And some many years later, I've got one too. Not too badly. Here we are in 2018. She's now got 27,428 miles on the clock. We've done a track day at Rockingham. Did a top day at Rockingham and it didn't go too great. I mean, it's pretty. I had a track day this year, 2018, up at Rockingham. It just sounds like sadly going to be something that's going to be lost to us all. A bit like Woolworths, Littlewoods, Index, all the other great things. But yeah, we had a run to Rockingham and we had a little off. It was a bit of a silly thing really. I didn't go with tyre warmers and I went in the top group. And it did, although it was a nice hot day, it's hard to get heat in the rubber. I got warmed up, I'm running Pirellis, so good tyre, Pirelli Rosso 3s. And we took a couple of laps to get warmed up, but we also had a bit of a problem with the front brake. I don't know if others have had it when you're hard on the brakes and then you have a judder. You know, you can sort of, I thought it was a warped disc, but I had the disc checked out and they said no, they were straight and true. So got some advice to clean the bobbins on them to see if that would help. I haven't really tested them in anger yet to see if that was the case or not, but yeah, so we took a couple of laps because you only got 20 minutes and I was probably taking 7-8 minutes getting up to speed. And then when we was up to speed, a big group went past me and pulled a few bites, and I was just getting up to temperature, and I started to sort of catch them all back up. And then as we was going around a long left-hander at Rockingham, one of the guys who was getting closer and closer to do, suddenly at the sort of the exit point of the corner, sort of slowed down instead of sped up, and I had to take the board in action. So, although we crashed on a left-hander, I think I had a bit of a head shake before the bike did. I think at the front end, I'm not totally sure. I've got some video of it. Not very good though, but yeah. So we had a bit of a right. Good old phone call interrupting proceedings. This is another new thing for me. Not only doing a vlog and talking, but I've actually got my earphones plugged into my ears and a microphone in my mouth, and I've never done that before either. So quite a few firsts for me today in the motorcycling thing.